Hello बच्चों and welcome to my channel. Today we learn about demonstrative adjective. Today we learn about demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative adjectives are used in order to describe or specify an object. Demonstrative adjectives are used in order to describe or specify an object. On other hand, are used instead of a noun. It points out to the subject or object doing or receiving the action in the sentence. Example: this, that, these, those. Example: this, that, these, those. Demonstrative adjectives are used in order to describe or specify an object. On other hand, are used of a noun. It points out to the sentence or object doing or receiving the action in a sentence. For example, this, that, these, those. For example, these, that, these, those. Thank you.